We're going to make our beer cheese, and we're going to start the beer cheese by making a roux with 2 tablespoons of really good butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're just going to stir this up around. The key with making a roux, you just got to make sure you keep on stirring it. You don't want this to burn because it'll change the taste of everything. So in a little bit, we're just going to hit this with a little salt, and then we're going to add some fresh homegrown diced cayenne peppers and jalapeno with the seeds in, one of each pepper. Stir that around into the roux, and then we're going to pour in our Sunday mole stout. Once that's all poured in, it looks beautiful, and we're just going to stir this around. Now we're just going to keep stirring. Very soon it starts to really thicken up, and then we're going to add 2 cups of pepper jack cheese, half a cup of Asiago cheese, and just keep stirring this around until it gets real thick and melty. The Asiago cheese isn't really going to melt that well, but it's going to give us that really nutty flavor to go along with the spice.
I'm gonna push back the sea. You're gonna